Hi guys, and welcome to my channel and Facebook page. In this video I'm going to give you one word that you will never think about. I'm not sure, but even for Arabs who are learning the English language. So let's see now, and I will tell you what is it first in English, and I will just tell you what is it also with a picture. So this is like the double chin. The double chin, like for example, if you have something like that, like between the chin and the neck. So this is the double chin if you have it like really bigger than the regular one. So we call it the double chin. And in Arabic, we call it lots of things. So I will start with the spoken Arabic because we have lots of words in the Arabic language, and it's just one word, or actually two words, in the standard Arabic. So let's start by the spoken Arabic. Spoken Arabic. This is the double chin. Double chin. What we use it. So this is the double chin in a photo there, and it means in Arabic, in spoken Arabic. First one, it means la غلورة. La r, it has the r sound. La غلورة. La غلورة. So la غلورة is the double chin in spoken Arabic. I'm telling you the words from the most common one to the least one. So let's start with the most common one. The most common one is, as I told you, la غلورة. La غلورة. And the second one we use is نغنورة. نغنورة. So la غلورة and نغنورة. La غلورة is actually more used, and it's more logical. Why? Because it comes from the standard Arabic. So I will tell you about it in the end of this video. So let's continue. The third one, which is the last one, is in the spoken Arabic, which is غرغورة. غرغورة. This is also the double chin. غرغورة. And if you are going to make it plural, then it's gonna be لغالير. لغالير. And for the second one, it's gonna be نغانير. نغانير. And for the last one, it's gonna be غرغورات. غرغورات. So these are the double chin or double chins. So this is it. This is it. And we have an actor, like a really comedy perfect, fabulous Egyptian actor whose name is Adil Imam, who said that in one of his performances. So let's see.
لغاليبو انت جبت لغاليبو دي منين؟ هي الدكتوراه بتاعتك في اللغاليب؟ كل واحد يخلي باله من لغاليبو.
Now it's in the standard Arabic. The standard Arabic is just one word, and it has another expression. So the word, it says لغد. لغد. This is the standard Arabic. لغد. لغد is the double chin. لغد. لغد. لا غ د. لغد. 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 So the lam and the ghain and the dal. لغد. لغد. And if you are going to have it like another meaning or an expression which means literally a double chin, literally in Arabic, double chin, it's ذقن. ذقن, which is the chin, ذقن, and مزدوجة. مزدوجة. مزدوجة means doubled. So ذقن or ذقن. ذقن. مزدوجة. مزدوجة. So it's double chin. This is literally as an expression, but we use لغد more. So this is it, and this is for this video. If you have any recommendations, suggestions, concerns, or questions, just tell me in the comments below, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more of the spoken and standard Arabic educational videos and lessons. If you have any questions, again, comment below and hit the like button. Do not forget about it. And if you like my videos, please share it with your friends, so it's gonna be very useful for other people. And that's it, and I'll see you in next video.